on over.
Let's go see what Margaret won, folks.
We'll go on over to that wheel of prizes. Let's go find out what she won.
Boop, boop.
Ooh, taking the elevator, going up. I got a lot of ground to cover, and I'm in love with this good life. Can't give it up. Make it to the top, keep climbing.
Oh, you won a Jamie Honey interpretive dance and a respin. Oh my God.
Don't touch the prize wheel. Why would you put that on there? Why would you? That is ridiculous.
I love it. I'm gonna cry. So pick an animal or interpretation of an emotion. Anything you want, Margaret. We're gonna spin. You're gonna win another prize as well. But you get to get an interpretive dance from Jamie.
You can't promise stuff that other people have to deliver. Because now I'm put on the spot.
Maxine, oh my God, the bestest ever. Oh, woohoo. And people are very excited about it.
How many times is that up? I'm removing them all. Did you put it up there like a million times?
I did.
That's stupid.
There's like 40 of them on this prize wheel.
It looks very cluttered.
You have no idea. You guys have no idea. Why this is so funny.
I'm ecstatic for you. Congratulations.
Oh my God, my stomach hurts. I'm laughing that hard. I'm crying. Oh God, I can't. Okay.
I even forgot who was it Margaret?
It's Margaret. Margaret wants an emu.
Unbelievable. Unbelievable.
Oh my God.
Well, is it a happy emu? Is it a sad emu? Is it an angry emu? I think you can get an angry emu.
I can't pull it back together right now.
The Liberty Emu. I've got a sore knee.
Well, don't do the emu with the knee. We can choose something else.
Well, you set it up. You can't promise stuff and then go back on your word.
I'm not going to go back on my word.
You're going back on your word with me. I need to see the camera to see where I'm at.
Oh,
And
all
go
right.
full screen for them to see a silly emu. Congratulations, Margaret. I hope you enjoy this.
Injured emu. Cosmic Kaya's like, what did I come in on? Yay! That was amazing. Thank you, Jamie.
Respin.
Okay.
Let's see what prize you really won.
And you put it so that I couldn't even remove it. I was going to remove it after the first round. This morning, Jamie was like, I changed it so you can't remove items.
Yeah, I don't want you touching the wheel because this is what happens. I get hurt.
I don't know if I can pull it back together. Okay, Margaret, let's find out what you really won.
They're the names. You got to go to the prizes. You know?
I'm done. I just lost it for the rest of the stream.
I'm glad you could all show up for these folks.
Ooh, taking the elevator, going up. I've got a lot of ground to cover,
Purple
and
again.
I'm in love with this good life. Can't give it up. Make it to the top, keep climbing.
Congratulations.
Oh.
Margaret. You won a sunset lamp. Now let's get on with the show.
You know what the best part was? The last time I missed the last that it does in the last one. You like make sure to get that in there. Oh my god. Okay, I'm dying. Okay, Jamie's gonna talk about the sunset lamp.
You won this.
I'm gonna go add it to the wheel.
Here we go, folks. Congratulations, Margaret. You won the multicolor sunset lamp.